Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. FETCH.AI continues to move here in a very, let's say, weak way. Okay, so the day was weak. Today is a slow day. It's been a very slow day. And we are still holding above the relevant micro support region, however, here. Yeah? So I would say before we dive into the micro patterns, the up-to-date micro patterns, let's zoom out a little bit. Take a look at the bigger picture. This is my scenario for FET. I'm counting the initial move up as a three-wave move in an A, B, C pattern. The C wave has basically the same length as wave A. I think it's a little bit longer, but it's not long enough for me to call it a third wave. Oh no, absolutely not. It hasn't even reached the 1.236 FIB extension, which for me, yeah, would need to be reached. So let's take that out. And then we have this B wave pullback as an expanded flat. Price bottomed here in November 22 at around 5.4 cents. And from there we started the move up in a wave C. And this should be a 5-wave move. C waves are generally 5-wave patterns. And we have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, third wave up, fourth wave. Fourth wave hasn't started yet. In fact, we're likely still in the third. And then we should still get one more high in wave 5. That gives me 3 waves up. And in the C wave, yeah, these 5 waves, and we're now in the third wave. So let's zoom in. That means we need to dive into the micro patterns here for the third wave and understand them. After the wave 2 bottomed in June 23, we started a rally, obviously. You know, it's a bit ambiguous, this price structure. My best interpretation, or let's call it best guess, because it is difficult to read. I've got an A wave here, a B wave pullback, and the C wave is what is unfolding right now. You might ask, why do we track it like that? Well, because I can call this here a 3-wave move as well. So we're dealing with a C wave in a diagonal pattern. So the wave C is the diagonal. That is why the third wave is an ABC structure as well. The C wave, however, is a 5-wave pattern, and we're likely in the process of wrapping up this fourth wave. So third wave topped in March, and like Bitcoin as well, we are likely now moving in a fourth wave. It's possible that the fourth wave bottomed here in April, but then it's just not clear yet. It's just not clear. I would have to guess, okay, and yeah, price action certainly hasn't given me strong indications that we've bottomed already. I'm tracking it as long as we're holding micro support, and micro support is at $2.01. Here, this FIB level there, the 78.6 FIB level of the last rally. And if we break below $2.01, then this will indicate that we are heading down in wave C of Y of 4 as per the white scenario. 2 scenarios, both part of an overall bullish structure, okay? Because, you know, even if we form another low here, the larger main support area for wave 4, yeah, remains relevant. So what does that mean? Well, it means that at the moment, the focus can be on higher prices, I think, against $2.01, if you like to look at it that way. For me, the more relevant level is $1.27, because that's the 50% retracement of the third wave. And the fourth wave shouldn't go below that level. So that's for me the main level, $1.27. In the very short term, it's possible, but that's not really, you know, it's not like highly probable or so, but it's possible that the price is turning around here, from here, to start a C wave rally of wave 3 in the yellow count. And the yellow count, and that is what makes it so difficult, would have to be an ending diagonal. So it's not, you know, it is not improbable, but we also don't have very clear probabilities for that. So it's a little bit of a, yeah, coin flip there at the moment on the micro. That's why I indicated the 2 levels here. To the downside, breakdown point at 186. That's really confirmation level that the white count is playing out, which allows for one more low to test possibly 157 or 127. And the breakout point to the upside here at around $2.71. Yeah, that really needs to break to clearly indicate that the yellow count is running, or at least the price is attempting to rally in wave C of 3, and it should take us towards 360 next. Not much more to add, unfortunately. These are the worst updates if there is not anything new really to report. So still hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.